Hi there, my name is Mina Sabzian. I'm a graphic designer. Today we are going to learn how we can make loading spinner in Figma. Please open the Figma and make a frame here. Here is the frame. You can select it and come here, or you can simply hit the F key. Then I'm going to here, choose ellipse. Coming here, press Shift key and make one circle here, as you can see. Then choose this circle, bring it here a little bit, draw this to the side like this. However you want to, your loading bar should be thick or thin, is depend on you. Make it complete and going here, not solid color, I'm going to angular and choosing this one 00FF29 with the 100% opacity. This one again, this, but here should be 0%, and going to close it. As you can see, our spinner is ready. Now I'm going to here to, of course I can bring it down here to be more visible. Then I'm going to create a component. As I made it as a component here, I'm going to, for my Figma is here, but for somebody should be here in this panel in SI. I'm going to make one more, and now you can see here is disappear, and this plus icon is here, means that I can add variant here 2 times and 3 times. Totally we need 4 type of this. And for this I'm going to open it and choose ellipse by itself, and now I'm going to here to change the angle. Here should be minus 90, and this one should be minus 180, and I should open it, shouldn't forget it, and here minus 180, and this one again, open the variant, choose ellipse and come here and 90. Then I'm going to prototype section, choosing this, bring it here to this one. After delay, but 1 millisecond maybe. It's depend on you, you can change it afterwards. And smart animate, linear should be 800. And this one also, select to this one, same properties, after delay 1 millisecond, smart animate, linear 800 millisecond. This one also, tap here, after delay, but here should be 1, yeah, we shouldn't forget, linear and 800 millisecond. This one, from here to first one, untap, no, after delay, and 1 millisecond, smart animate, linear and 800 millisecond. This is it's the interaction details. So now I'm going to asset panel is here. Before going forward, please like this video and subscribe the channel, because your like and your subscription will help me to maintain this channel. So thank you so much for liking this video and subscribing the channel. Now we are going forward. Now design and prototyping is over. Now we are going to asset panel, and we can see that our asset is here. I have made one frame, iPhone 8 here, that you can see. I'm taking this asset from here and dropping it here and centering, yeah, is center. Now we are going to present mode to see how it reacts. As you can see, it's working properly and showing that it's waiting time to loading be over. So I have made some frame here. As you can see, is a app for children, and with the help of this you can download one cartoon and watch it online. So I want to just add this here. I'm going to a little bit to scale it down. Yes. And now we are going to prototype this and to see how they will react in real world. At the first time, we are starting from first frame. We are going to prototype and connecting this frame to this one. On tab, as you can see, it's going to navigate to frame 3, smart animate, ease out, and 800 millisecond. And for second one, we are going to connect it to frame 5 here. Again, on tab, navigate, smart animate, ease out, 800 millisecond. And this one, frame 5, I'm going to connect it to first frame. And again, on tab, and smart animate, ease out, 800 millisecond. As you can see, prototype is finished now. Now we are going to see how it will react in present mode. As you can see, loading a spinner is working properly here. And now you can see it's finished. And if you found this video useful and you are going to use in your project, please like this video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be informed about new upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in next time. Bye.